note.
Yeah.
It says, "Hey next door," and then she's put a picture of the fence.
Yeah.
Just 20 minutes ago. Right, look.
Oh god, yeah.
And then Traceys put a comment. I don't think your dad will have the energy to fix that after running the Manchester Marathon today.
Oh my
You're
god.
going to have to do it.
I'll tell you what, I just whacked right, it's bust the hinge. I can't close it.
Mom's going to love you.
Then pull the hinge out. I opened it, it whacked out of my hand and smashed it around. Okay, slight problem now is I just opened the bathroom window to film the wind and rain outside, and the wind took the window, whacked it open, and has damaged the hinges. Just managed to close the window, but as you can see from this, we now have a bit of a gap on the hinge side of the window.